making some pasta and meatballs and some tomato sauce.
Yep. What ingredients we got?
We got tomato sauce.
Passata.
And we've got passata.
Well, that's oil. That's oil.
Oil.
Yeah.
And we've got pepper.
Yeah.
An onion. Garlic.
Yeah.
An egg. Carrots. 4 carrots. Flour. Courgettes. Some pasta.
Yeah.
Some mint.
Yeah.
And some, what's this again?
Parsley.
Parsley. For our first move, we're going to cut this up. Don't worry about the name of it. Okay?
Parsley.
Yeah, parsley. And into little pieces. And now we're going to put it in, I think.
Yeah.
So we're just going to drop the whole thing in.
Yep, put the whole thing in, boy.
And then put it back.
And then you're going to crack your egg.
We're going to crack our egg, which is here on the end, like this. So we get our bowl. When it's cracked a bit, which is not quite yet, I'm going to do like that. So now we've got that.
Lovely. Now you're going to mix it.
Next, let's get our spoon, Mummy. Mix it.
Get your hands in there, mate.
So we're going to
Mix it all together. Really
with
well.
our hands, quite dirty. Then I think we just have to wash our hands. So I've done my hands, and we're making the thing into meatballs now. We're just making them into balls first, about that size.
Yeah.
Put them on your plate if you have it next to you. We're making about 8, so you might want to make it small as mine, as I said. Back. We've made much more than 8. We've made about 14, and we've got a plate of flour here that we're going to add the meatballs in. Just roll them in a bit of it, and then put them back on our plate. Our meatballs that Mummy and I have made. We're going to put them in the fridge now, and we're going to start our tomato sauce. We've just grated our courgette, and we've got all of these little pieces that I'm sure we're going to do something with them. Now we're going to chop our carrot up the end, about that size, I would say, but hold it up that size, okay? About that. So now I've cut all of this, and now we're going to put it in our frying pan about that big. So just hold it in, maybe just put it in. No need to do it separate, it's fine. You might get some into it, but some out it, and courgettes too. Archie's helping today, aren't you? Is that? Okay, I don't think you might helping. So we're just adding a little bit of oil, and then we're going to heat it up so it gets a bit soft, and then we'll add our tomato sauce, tiny bit. So we've softened it up for 5 minutes, all of this, and now it looks like that. So we're just going to add our meatballs, but before we do that, we're going to put all of it to the side. So, like this, and then I think you might know what to do. Just add the meatballs, like, just pick them up and put them on that side. They start to get a bit brown. In there, we're going to pour the tomato sauce on slowly, then we're going to leave it on a low temperature to cook for a bit of a while. So just like around there, and it makes it like that, a bit hotter. Minutes to cook, and then we're going to make the pasta, and then I think it's time for dinner. Hope yours looks like mine.